we complete this 332 alarm for trade 9, so trade 9 is done, right?
Correct.
No, Chairman. Actually, we didn't gone through your complete list. Okay, we have to make sure that all the projects, all the alarms in the project should be included in this list. First point. Okay, better we'll go through the PNA device. Okay, if you found any similar, well, we can neglect it. Okay.
Okay, you want to go PNA device, or I would say go with equipment wise.
Equipment
wise
wise,
is
yes.
better.
Yeah,
Equipment wise.
equipment wise.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So what we will do? Of course, Guru. I mean, you are right, and we will go
Because
equipment wise.
we are not able to perform another workshop for this. Okay,
Yeah,
so we have to make sure that all the alarms to be included on this list.
Yeah. So guys, what we'll do? We will go for equipment wise, and of course, when we go equipment wise, we will see the PNID, and first we will check, go through this unique number. Then we will see, before going for the next PNID, we'll see that if we are missing something, right, Guru?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
And guys, specifically, I mean, CPEC process and instrumentation, I have a request. Please ensure that we don't miss anything. Because as Guru mentioned that we will not meet next time, then probably if you 1 alarm or 10 alarm is missing, then we have to come back again. Right, Guru?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So, what is the approach? Bhargav, what is the approach? I have a train 9. I have a job and report. This is a report. No? This is PHA file. Yes. This is a job report. This is sale report. And this is the PNID. So I will say node worker PNID. Rename. So this is the PNID. Okay. So guys, if you see here, I would say that as explained by Emmanuel, let us go with the equipment wise. Let us start with select catcher first, right, Emmanuel?
No. Manifold is there, no?
Manifold, okay. Okay, so let us start with manifold first. But I am really worried because some of the equipment.
There's no alarms there in manifold, Guru. So
Yeah. Just you will go through. Yeah, go through the PNID. You have the PNID
Okay.
bundle with the chairman or not?
No, I have, but I may not be able to. I may not be able to drive it. But I need process help from CPEC side. See, this is what I have. So okay, let us go for. I do not know. Emmanuel, you have to help us. How to
no
start.
problem. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so if you see, these are the PNID vendors we have. So
But
you want to
I think-
start?
I start with the manifold as Guru was saying. Just
Manifold. I don't know how to. Which PNID number?
as a minute.
Which PNID number?
7005 or
Wow.
711. Yeah, this one could be used for
1703.
This one, huh?
Mhm.
Number one.
No. Better as per the flow. The bend is not done. Emmanuel, we have bend, right? As per the flow process.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah.
just share the screen. Yeah.
Yeah. But